Nike LeBron 18 Lakers colorway. Let's go! What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today guys, we have an unboxing and closer look of the latest signature sneakers of LeBron James. This is the LeBron 18 Lakers colorway. Let's go! So guys, here's the box of the latest signature sneakers of LeBron James. These are the LeBron 18, and what I have inside is the LeBron 18 Lakers colorway. Okay, so as you can see, the box is so different compared to the previous one, and I honestly love this box compared to the old one because the old one was too flashy. But anyway, there's a lot of details on this box. It's a gray and brown box. And then there's like sort of like a ribbon in white on the sort of in the middle. It says LeBron James 18 Nike 2020-2021 Just Do It BBZ 330. So I'm not sure what this BBZ stands for, basketball something 333. I'm not sure as well. But anyway, if you guys know, please do let me know on the comment section down below. Over here it says engineered to the exact specifications of LeBron James, and then over here you have the Nike swoosh logo. Here we have the LeBron James logo with the crown over here as well. So the official colorway of this sneakers is black metallic gold, so it doesn't say that it's a Lakers colorway. However, I mean, based on what I saw, it looks like a Lakers colorway. Anyway, let's pop the lid open, and you have a regular white tissue paper, and bam, here it is. This is the LeBron 18 Lakers colorway. So I say it's a Lakers colorway because of the purple and gold over there. So let's get the other one. I've never been so excited to open a box of a LeBron sneakers since the first ever LeBron sneakers, which is the Zoom generation. So after that, I was not really a fan of the LeBron sneakers. I bought the last one, the LeBron 17s, because this is a sneaker channel and we have to review the sneakers. But anyway, over here, I like how it looks. It's not on the light side. As you all know, LeBron sneakers are always kind of heavy because of all the technology and materials that they use on the sneakers. So what's the difference between this one and the other LeBron sneakers, or the previous, at least the previous one? So what they are boasting on this sneakers, the LeBron 18 sneakers, is that apart from it having the biggest Air Max unit on the sneakers, so I have to double check it first if it's really the biggest. I don't see any difference because these are the LeBron 17s, and I think it's almost the same. But the best part that I'm really excited about these sneakers is the full-length zoom, or the full-length strobe that they use for this sneaker. So basically what they did is that you have the Air over here, and in the middle of the Air unit you have the Zoom unit, which you will see right now. I haven't worn this yet, but I can't wait to test it out. So the upper of the sneakers is called the Knitposite 2.0. So basically they have improved the Knitposite from the previous version, or the LeBron 17 version. So basically the Knitposite is just on this part up to the other side. So as you can see on the sketch, there's a lot of things going on in these sneakers apart from the Knitposite 2.0. So the Knitposite 2.0 gives you protection, strength, and containment on the upper side of the sneakers. On the Knitposite 2.0, as you can see, there's lines over here. There are embedded support beams to give more structure to the sneakers and to give more added support. And then apart from that, they have a Flywire reinforcement. Not sure if you could see over here. There's a Flywire reinforcement over here and over here to give more stability to the sneakers. Now moving on to the heel, you have this heel plastic TPU heel counter, and then inside you have this sort of like a neoprene material, which is heavily padded, as you can see. Attached to the neoprene material, you have this very light see-through purple heel tab. Now on the tongue, this is probably the only thing that I don't like about these sneakers. The tongue is so thin, you know, it's very, very flat, as you can see, very, very thin, and I'm not sure how can this be comfortable when you're wearing them, especially that it is actually long. But what they did to give more comfort on the sneakers are the air units over here. So you have three. You have here, you have the lion logo, and then here you have air, and then over here you have the signature of LeBron James. I mean, this is not the first time we saw this thin of a tongue. You know, we've seen it on the Jordan 34s over here. As you can see, it is also thin, but it has padding at the back. The only padding I see are the 3 air units in the middle. However, yeah, I'm really intrigued how will this feel, especially when you're wearing them, or if you have a no-show, if you're wearing this with a no-show socks. I think it's not gonna be that comfortable. On the tip of the toe, you have a gold small Nike swoosh logo, and then on the medial side, you have another gold Nike swoosh logo over there. Now, what makes me so excited about these sneakers is the cushioning system, and part of the cushioning system is the midsole, which is made out of Cushlon material. So over here, you can see it's Cushlon material. It's made out of Cushlon. That separates the bottom part or the outsole and the medial part. Now on the back part of the sneakers, you have this exposed Cushlon material, and it has a writing. On the left shoe, it says from the city of Akron, and then on this side, the right sneakers, it says established in 1985, which is the year that LeBron James was born. So apart from the Cushlon material on the midsole, inside we have a full-length zoom unit, which also serves as the strobel of this sneakers. So it's similar to what they did on the KD13 and the KD12s. So basically, the middle part or the strobel, instead of a carton for the strobel unit, they use a full-length zoom unit as a strobel, which makes the sneakers really, really comfortable. And apart from that, you have here, of course, the extra large Air Max unit, which is an Air Max 270 if I'm not mistaken. But basically what they are marketing is that this is the largest Air Max unit on a sneakers. But anyway, yeah, that's what they're saying. This is definitely one of the biggest Air Max unit on a basketball sneakers. Now on the bottom part of the Air Max unit, in the middle, you have an EVA plug to give more support and dispersion on these sneakers. So now let's move on to the outsole. So the outsole is actually split in two parts. So the front part is actually made for speed, while the back part is made for power. So on the front part, if you look closer over here, apart from the square or the diamond shape traction pattern, you will see micro cuts, which allows it to flex and bend and give you fast acting low to the ground traction. And then on the back part, as you can see, it's spread out a little bit, and that one gives a dissipation of force whenever LeBron lands on his heels. Then on the middle section, you have this diamond shaped cutouts. Over here, you will see the bottom part of the EVA plug, and then on the front part, you have the zoom unit. On the middle area, you have the LeBron James logo. Now the other details of the outsole is on the front part, which you can see this one says Chosen One, and then on the other side it says Lifetime. So Lifetime Chosen One or Chosen One Lifetime, I'm not sure, But anyway, it's on the tip of the outsole over here. Now the other things that you will see here is on this part, this says FLZ, and then on the other side again it's FLZ with a swoosh. It means full length zoom. So anyway guys, that's about it. This is the LeBron 18 in the Lakers colorway. I like this Lakers colorway. I was supposed to get the James Gang colorway of the sneakers because that was the initial drop that they have on the Nike website here in the Philippines. And then when I was about to buy it, I saw this colorway, which is the Lakers colorway, which I like better because I also have the Lakers colorway of the LeBron 17s. I was also contemplating on getting the melon tint colorway, which LeBron James wore when they won the NBA Finals. But the thing is, I don't like the color of the melon tint. I think this is more wearable in terms of if I want to use this for lifestyle. So yeah, I chose this Lakers colorway, and you cannot go wrong with the purple and gold. Anyway guys, I can't wait to wear these and show you guys how it looks on feet. Let's go! Okay guys, so do you like how it look on feet? I mean, for my opinion, this is definitely dope. This is one of the best LeBron sneakers that they made, and definitely the cushion is right on the spot. You know, I can feel just by wearing them, not playing on them, you can feel the softness inside the sneakers. Even the upper is also soft. It's also nice. I was wearing elite socks, Nike socks, so I didn't really felt the tongue, so it was okay. But I think if I'm gonna be wearing a no-show socks and play basketball on them, I think it's not gonna be that nice. But yeah, definitely it is comfortable. It gives me sort of like the same feel as I was wearing the LeBron 17, but because of the full length zoom unit, this one is definitely more comfortable. Now the fit of these sneakers, at least in my opinion, in my feet, is true to size. So normally for basketball sneakers, I wear 10.5, and for me 10.5 is just right. So initially, Nike have released 4 colorways of the Nike LeBron 18, and those were the Reflections colorway, which is the most expensive of the bunch. In the US, I think it was at $225 US. Here in the Philippines, I haven't been released, so I don't know what's the actual price. And then they also have the Empire Jade colorway. We've seen a lot of leaks on this sneakers. They also have the Los Angeles by Day, and lastly the James Gang, which was also released here in the Philippines, and the price here is at 10,195 pesos, or in US dollars is about 200 US dollars. Now, apart from those 4, they released this colorway. This is the LA Lakers colorway, and then they also have the melon tint colorway, which LeBron James wore on the Game 6 of the NBA Finals, which they eventually won. So anyway guys, that's about it. I think I have discussed everything that needs to be discussed here. I mean, I didn't mention about the laces because it's just a normal rope laces, but I think that's about it. I'll be doing another review on these sneakers regarding the fit, you know, more detailed in-depth review on the fit of these sneakers, the cushioning, the technology, and the rest of it. And apart from that, I'll be doing another video wearing different kinds of pants or bottoms that fits on these sneakers, so if we can check if these sneakers can be worn for a lifestyle. And anyway guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.